a simple way to create an in-game achievement system that can have single-stacked, multiple unstacked, or sequential steps. Good to note that this method is not covering Steam achievements, but a more general way of how to create your own via C++ and blueprints. Since you'll be needing developer settings module, make sure to add it to your build.cs file. Next, create a standalone .h file, no CPP file needed for this one, which includes all the aforementioned types of achievements and parameters needed to feed into the achievements. Then, create a new Unreal class of type developer settings. Here, include a data table type that we will reference in the editor. CPP file can stay empty. And lastly, a new class type of game instance subsystem, where the chunk of the functionality will be found. From initializing to adding progress, advanced sequential steps, multiple and stack steps, force unlocking achievement, and some simple queries to parse achievements if needed. Now, in the editor, ensure to create a data table of row structure type achievement data, and don't forget to hook it up in the project settings. Here, I have set some basic nodes to debug trigger things. And now, to test it. Single stacked. Multiple and stacked. Sequential. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching!